Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to create a dummy profit center. So in SAP, the dummy profit center acts as a technical safety net. Its primary purpose is to ensure that every single transaction with a financial impact is captured, even if the user or the system configuration fails to provide a specific real profit center. So let's create the dummy profit center here. Go to transaction code KE59, then press enter. Enter the code here, then click on basic data here, enter the description here, enter profit center group here, then go to indicators here. You can see it's already selected dummy profit center. Then go to company code,